Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's Matthew and we are on the way to Houston. We just stopped at this gas station, which is, I don't even know what it's called, but it's not Buc-ee's, that I know, but it's big and it's not as busy, which we enjoy. Yeah, it's pretty small, like compared to Buc-ee's it is, but they have good stuff and they got big restrooms and we like it here. Look at these cute little chairs. They have all the funny stuff. I do have to say, this is like their little character. And doesn't that look like Turd? See how big the restrooms are? I'm obviously not gonna record much in here, but this is what it looks like. But honestly, how cute is this? Like, so funny. We gotta get the snacks now. Because at the Astros game, they allow you to take in 1 gallon size bag. Isn't it per person? Yeah, with snacks. So we always get like just a couple of things that we can enjoy at the game.
That we can't
like,
get at the ballpark.
Payday, Rice Krispies, and Matthew's now getting an Almond Joy. I usually get jelly beans, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do the usual and get some jelly beans. Something like this sounds good too. Like a gummy of some sort. Should I get like sour gummy bears? Yeah, I think that sounds good. Right? These. I was gonna show the fishing tank. Look at all the fishes. I feel sad that they're contained, but at the same time, I think they look kind of happy. I hope they're being fed right. I would assume they are. And they got like a little mini boutique in there, which I kind of want to look at right now too. But Matthew's probably like, let's go. But see, they got like a little mini boutique in there with clothes. How cute. Okay, we should get going. Sell stuff. Were we gonna get jelly beans? No. We should just take the... No, just this. Yeah, I think we're good with just these things. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and go. Alright you guys, I figured I would do kind of like a proper intro, but my name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner, on Instagram, YouTube, all the social media, and today I'm just bringing you along for a little vlog day, weekend in my life. This is a little bit of a busier week in my life because we are going to the Houston Astros game. This sun is like wild. I wish I was like over here, but it is super hot, but we are gonna go to the Astros game. It's like super hot and humid outside, but thankfully the Astrodome, what the heck, Minute Maid Park is, they have a closed roof, so thankfully it's not gonna be hot in there. At least I would hope not. I don't even know where our seats are, but I'm excited. This is like something that we do pretty often, but I enjoy it. I enjoy going with Matthew, so I just sent him back to the gas station. We were just in there, but I sent him back to get me water because I need a water for the ride. I finished my coffee, so I need something else. But anyways, I'm gonna bring you along for the day, so I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, or if you do, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to bring you along and show you all the little things. Matthew's out here getting dressed on the parking lot. No big deal. But we're gonna go to Target since we're in Austin and Houston at 9:17, and the game starts at what, noon? Yeah. Figured some walking and hopefully not. Yeah, I locked it. Not a lot of shopping. We're gonna check out Target. Okay, we gotta check out the dollar section. Okay, fine. Cute. Ooh, this one's pretty. Oh, I'm gonna get these for my friends. Cute. What is that? Hair wrap. A wrap spa towel. What the heck is that for, like wine? These are cute. We're on the way now. Clearly, it's hot out here. It's so humid. I'm so excited. I put my hair up. Figured I'll take it down once we get inside. We're ready. Game day ready. Look at that pupper. Today's pup day. So they're gonna have like an area where you get to, sorry if you hear my fan, where you can take your dog. That's so cute. If we lived closer to Houston, I would 100% bring Caesar, but we don't live close to Houston. How many hours are we away? Like 3?
A little shy of 4, yeah.
Yeah, like they even have an area that's like closed off for the puppies to be able to go hang out. That's so cute. We're in. Yeah. Oh, puppies.
Look, they got out.
Obviously. That's cute. Are you gonna get one? Did you text it to Kristen?
Yeah.
Oh look, this is new. I haven't seen this.
Oh, that is new. They always have new.
Yeah.
They're like comic.
Look at this one. That's cute. I really, every single time I see these, I think these are so cool.
It's satin.
Yeah, I noticed that. You can tell. Matthew, look, you should get those overalls for yourself.
There's actually quite a few.
What are you talking about? This one's so cute. These are on sale for $10. So we're gonna get one for my brother. And Matthew already has one, but he's obviously gonna get another one. Oh, look at the corgi! Oh, look, Matthew, they got Astros snackaroos. Oh, stop it right now. How cute is she? Go this way. Yeah.
I don't think they could sell, right?
I think they have some here.
Well, it'll be a surprise. Can I get
Oh my goodness.
Hi, Poppy. Bye. I'm getting them a little large. Big pack for 12 and big pack for 8.
Puppy! So cute. I want to check this out. Oh, look. So cute. Hi, Pop Pop. I want to check this out because they got...
I still like the ones we got.
Yeah, I do too. So cute. Oh, the Pop Pops. Yeah, where does it fuck? Yes, thank you. So I think this is the way you get out. This is the way you get out to the pups. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna have to preserve camera battery now. I need to get another battery. Oh, my little puppy! Oh my goodness. Look at her! A diva. Oh! That's so cute! Oh my goodness. The puppy's chilling in the pool.
Hercules is the name.
Look at him. Look at him with his goggles. Oh my goodness.
Wait, I'll take a picture.
Is this where you go?